just a lot on my chest, you know.
Raspo beats.
And I'm not okay, man. Like, it's too much. I felt this way for a long time, I don't know where I'm gonna go. I got these tears pouring down my face, little bro. I've been crying, my eyes are red, like that blood that I know I have shed. The claws in my back keep tearing away at the flesh, digging deeper into all I have left. It's all up in my chest. Man, my heart is really broke, and I keep trying to find some way to fucking cope. I was drinking, I was smoking, and I was popping pills. I did it all at one time so I can go see the hills. And if you know what I'm talking about, you know how that thrill feel. Yeah, you know how that thrill feel. It's gonna get you right when you feel at night. Yeah, I don't even know what to say right now. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. All I know is that I'm heading to my grave. I know I've been posting a lot of sad shit, but that's how my life really is. There's a goddamn sad chapter in it. I've been feeling like this for a long time. I don't speak on it, I just let it in my mind and then press play. And then I play it and rewind, and I keep it on go, and I don't ever stop time. I just be feeling this way over these long years. Man, I'm just trying to tell you how I really deal. I don't deal with anything, I don't know how to cope. I don't talk about my feelings, and I don't do no more dope, and I don't drink no more, and I just keep on feeling. And all these feelings that I pushed away, they's resilient. I was drinking, I was smoking, and I was popping pills. I did it all at one time so I can go see the hills. And if you know what I'm talking about, you know how that thrill feel. Let me tell you what it meant, man. I just be drinking till I spill. I don't know where I'm going, I just know that I'm staying true to how I've been flowing. Yeah, going down this river, even when I shiver, it feel cold, but I keep following the road. Yeah.